Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. In this hobby time video I would like to share with you a option for your base design or how to make your bases more pretty, and it is rather more than an unboxing than a tips and tricks video. That one will come later on. So what we have here today on the table is the Citadel Skulls. So these are a plastic. This is a plastic kit for games from Games Workshop. Obviously, they own the Warhammer and the Age of Sigmar IPs, and also Lord of the Rings, maybe probably some more. But let's see what we have in the box. So in here should be 340 skulls. So on this picture they are already painted and highlighted and shaded, but there you have the numbers. So you have 82 human skulls, so large human skulls, probably some squad skulls, crude demon skulls, orcs, jaws, gene stealers, human jaws, and even up to some kind of Xenos races. So let's see inside. And this set of skulls will cost you. So firstly you have 4 sprues. That is a lot of sprues and lots of plastic. The price wise, so back when I bought this set, I don't know, 2 years ago, the price was 15 British pounds on the GW web store. So that translates to 22.5 euros if you bought them directly. But since this year there was a price hike, the actual price is 17.5, so two and a half British pounds more. Yeah, it is what it is. It is an expensive hobby, so keep in mind, and I'm always suggesting you to go and contact your preferred third-party reseller or authorized dealer. Probably you should go with the authorized dealer, because they will have the real deal, the real stuff, and they will give you a discount like this one. I bought it from Triple Helix Wargaming, and the price there is 13.13 British pounds after the discount, of course, and that translates to 14.88, so under 15 euros. So nice savings there. And now let's see the sprue. So this was made in 2017, like the most primary stuff, the first phase. So these are basically your human skulls, and this will look perfectly on your bases. It depends on what kind of style you paint, but they will be nice on Warhammer, also on Age of Sigmar bases. So here are the demons and some damaged, cracked human skulls. They are all numbered, so you can know where you are at. Here are some of the orcs and the crude and gene stealers, of course. Really nice. And you will get one sprue with this big So obviously this is a two-part. These are single. Yeah, all of these are single. Some of these are two-part, like this big one. Yeah. Nice horns there. Okay, so 340 skulls. This should be enough for your few armies. Obviously, it depends on how many miniatures you have or how many you want to have. But this box should be more than enough for starting out of your basing needs. Okay. Interesting. Yeah. Okay, so this was the Citadel Skulls set from Games Workshop. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much for your support. If you are not, then please consider subscribing. I try to release content or videos at least 3 times per week, mostly knife, gear, watches, books, and Warhammer oriented, but it depends on what I have on the table right then and right now. So yeah, I wish you a nice day and see you soon.